Welcome to FirstWord Pharma's News Roundup for the 12th of May, brought to you today by editorial researcher Nina Whittle. In our top news story, the European Commission approved Bristol-Myers Squibb and AbbVie's Empliciti for use in adults with multiple myeloma. The drug makers said that the drug is now the first and only immunostimulatory antibody approved for multiple myeloma in the EU. Also in the news, Bayer halted a phase 2 study of Adempas for the treatment of patients with pulmonary hypertension associated with idiopathic interstitial pneumonias. An independent data monitoring committee found that patients given Adempas had a potentially higher risk of death versus placebo. In other news, sources suggested that Baxter has emerged as the leading candidate to acquire Gland Pharma. People indicated that bids submitted by Baxter and Fosun Group value Gland at between $1.1 billion and $1.2 billion. In addition, Dr. Reddy's laboratory's fourth quarter profit fell 85.6% to 746 million rupees, primarily due to a decision to write off assets in Venezuela amid a currency crisis. CEO G.V. Prasad remarked, "While there has been a marginal decline in revenues, there has been a greater impact on profitability." And finally, the European Commission approved the combination of Bristol-Myers Squibb's Opdivo and Yervoy for the treatment of advanced melanoma in adults. The company noted that the clearance represents the first and only approved combination of two immuno-oncology agents in the EU. To read these and other stories in full, please visit firstwordpharma.com.
Are you able to keep up with all the news and views in the biosimilars market? FirstWord's Biosimilar Index is the only dedicated biosimilar and non-comparable biologics intelligence tool available. Get ahead of your competition and learn more today.